Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can create a blog page in WordPress using Elementor. So first of all, the first thing is install and activate the Elementor plugin on your WordPress website. If you don't have Elementor on your WordPress, you just need to head over to the plugins and tap on add new plugin. In here you need to search for Elementor, and once you search for this you need to go for the first one, which is this pink and purple shade. So tap on the install button and wait for it to install completely. Once you are done, it's time to activate it, so click on the activate button. After activating your Elementor, you need to look for the left hand side and you will see your Elementor option. Now before going in Elementor, you need to create a new page, so click on this add new page, and now you need to create your blog page. So let me do it really quickly. So now let's say you are done with writing all of your blog page or blog post. You need to click on this edit with Elementor on the top left of your screen. So click on this and now this will take you to the Elementor. So click on this, got it, and now this is how it will looks like. So it will also contain all of your writings that you have written in your WordPress site. So the first thing is you can add your image or your heading text as well. So I will start with the image and click on the choose image. You can tap on the select file, or if you have already in your media library you can select. Otherwise you need to click on the select file and select your particular file. So after selecting this you need to click on the select button and this is how it will looks like. Now the second thing is you can adjust your image resolution. So I will go with the medium one for this page, and once you are done, the next thing is with the text. So in order to go back to the main menu, you need to click on the three bars on the top left corner of your screen and then click on this arrow again, and you will be taken to the main page where you can adjust all of your settings. Now click on the heading and let's start with adding our heading. So I will type this particular text because I want to add the YouTube channel link. Now this is the best thing about Elementor, that you can add link or social media profile links with your text as well. So I will simply do it quickly. Once you are done, you just need to go back again now to the main page. And the good thing about Elementor is you can add videos, divider, Google Maps, even icons, and all of the stuff that comes up into your mind while creating a engaging blog page for your website. You can play around with these settings in order to create your design beautiful and engaging as well. This is just like all in one tool where you can customize each and everything about your blog page to make it more beautiful, engaging for the customer as well. Now once you are done with all of that, you need to tap on the publish on the bottom left of your screen and then tap on the have a look button, and this will show you how your blog post will looks like. Of course this is not a professional purpose, but this is just an example. So that's the whole process of how you can create a blog page in WordPress using Elementor.